Here is a trailer of what we will be building.
It was your idea to kidnap this guy. And now, he is dead. It's all your fault.
He is dead because you gave him pad thai with peanuts, which he was allergic to.
I've created a template project with 3 MetaHumans. Download link is in the video description. Let's download the project and open it. Next, let's make sure all necessary plugins are enabled. Let's enable all MetaHuman plugins except the depreciated one, and make sure Instant Dialogues plugin is also installed. Restart project after enabling the plugin. Now let's obtain the ElevenLabs API key. Use link in the video description to create account or log in to ElevenLabs. Navigate to Developers section at bottom left. Next, click Create an API key. Uncheck option Restrict Key. This will generate warning, but for simplicity, ignore it for now. Just remember not to share the key and don't commit it to public GitHub repositories or packaged projects. The key used in this example was invalidated, so don't bother trying to use it. Restart the project. Type 11 in project settings to find the API key entry. Next step is creating an instant dialogue character assets. These assets will keep information about voice and name assigned to the character. When creating a dialogue line, instead of typing the character name and setting voice parameter, you will be just selecting ID character asset from a short list.
Failure is a man who has blundered, but is not capable of cashing in on the experience.
You can test the voice by clicking this button. Tick the Is Player checkbox on the ID character, which will be assigned to player. Icing on the cake is that you can specify avatar for your character, so navigating in dialogues would be much easier. I'm using Greenshot application for capturing the avatars. Link is in the description. Finally, we can start designing our first dialogue graph. First, right-click in the content browser. Go to Instant Dialogues and specify ID Dialogue Graph. Open the asset and navigate to the Dialogue tab on the right side. Navigate to Characters section and add 3 positions to the array. Select our previously created character assets. By doing that, you are telling the system which characters participate in the dialogue. Next step is optional but highly recommended. You can specify background theme for this specific asset editor. Think about it as a mood board. For example, if your dialogue location is a jungle, let's put here a jungle picture. It will stimulate your creativity. Also, you will have better feeling whether the dialogue and location fits together. Now let's write some actual content. Each dialogue line must be preceded by a participant node. So let's create our first participant and line node. Once your text is ready, click Generate Voice. You can click this little arrow to listen.
It was your idea to kidnap this guy. And now, he is dead. It's all your fault.
If you are happy with it, click Apply to confirm your choice and generate facial animation. Now let's quickly create a skeleton for whole dialogue. Chain participant and line nodes and specify correct character asset for each participant node. For Josh participant, I will create 2 outgoing line nodes. We previously marked IDC_Josh asset as player, so player will have a decision to make. You can also create multiple outgoing nodes from a NPC participant, but this is more advanced case and we will cover it in another video. Okay, we have our small dialogue. Before we test it, let's add a trigger to start it on Begin Play. Locate the plugin content and in Demo folder find the BP Dialogue Trigger Actor. Place it on the level around our 3 metahumans. Click on the actor in the outliner. In Details panel, check options Start on Begin Play. Next, let's locate the Dialogue Executor component. Set the Dialogue Graph asset. In Participants section, specify our 3 metahumans which are placed on the level. Now let's inspect the Trigger Dialogue Actor. Locate Event Begin Play. As you can see, we are using Dialogue Executor component to start the dialogue. This component is Blueprint and you can edit it and extend with your own functions. There is also ID Dialogue Controller component, which contains the graph traversal logic. It is written in C++ and it's not extendable by design. We want to keep the heavy lifting hidden. Let's inspect the Dialogue Executor component. Locate Execute function. There are 2 main steps. First is creating UI widget and registering it at the controller. Second is launching the dialogue. To launch dialogue, you have to provide actual graph asset and list of participant actors. The actors should implement BPI_ID_speaker interface. We will learn about that in next section. When dialogue starts, the controller would do the matching between the actors array and the participants defined in the dialogue asset. This will be done automatically. Note that try start dialogue might fail if there is already another dialogue being executed. If you want to modify this component, I recommend creating the copy of it outside of the plugin folder. Otherwise, it might get overwritten with plugin update. We have to do one more step before testing the dialogue. Our metahumans placed on the level can't speak yet. We will quickly fix that. We will add few things to all 3 metahumans. In your own project, you might add it once to base class. Click on Boris MetaHuman. Open the asset and add 3 components. Audio component, ID character, and ACIDI focus. Next, click on the class settings. Go to Implemented Interfaces section and add BPI_ID_speaker. Now, in the Interfaces section on the left, open our interface. We have to implement 4 functions. Get Voice Audio component should return our recently added audio component. Get Leader Pose Mesh should return the mesh which is driving the animation. In our case, it is body. Get ID Character should return ID Character property from ID Character component. Finally, Get Face Mesh should return our MetaHuman's face mesh. Next, let's click on the ID_character component and assign the ID character asset. Select IDC_Boris. This is how the system would know that this actor should say Boris lines when launching dialogue. Now, let's assign the animation blueprints. For body mesh, let's assign ABP_ID_example blueprint. This blueprint is very simple, but contains 2 important linked anim layer nodes. Look-at layer is controlling the head direction. We implement this in body animation to avoid the detached head glitch. Head movement layer is responsible for driving the small head movement when character is speaking. If you want to use your own animation blueprint, you can add these 2 layers. For details, check second tutorial with Game Animation Sample Project. Similarly, for face animation, specify ABP_ID_face class. This class is using only 1 linked anim layer, look-at layer. It's responsible for eyes look. Repeat the steps for the remaining 2 characters. Now, locate one of the MetaHuman's face skeletal meshes and open it. Locate post-process animation blueprint. In animation graph, find Boolean variable responsible for head movement and set it to false. Let's adjust camera settings in the dialog graph. I will set dialog default camera preset to over the shoulder. We will start the dialog with wide shot showing all participants. Finally, at the end, we will use close-up shot. Finally, start the game and our dialogue will begin.
It was your idea to kidnap this guy. And now he is dead. It's all your fault.
He is dead because you gave him pad thai with peanuts, which he was allergic to.
Yeah, so before kidnapping, I should ask him, "Hey, Mr. Potential Victim, do you have any allergies? I'm just doing my checklist before we lock you in the basement."
Guys, stop. We can still get out from this.
Yeah? So what's your plan, smartass?
Congratulations. That completes this tutorial.